Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can catch the rainbow stag beetle in Heartopia. So it spawns every single day in every weather. You just need to join the event, which is called the Bait the Insects event. You're just going to want to start the event. And I also used a lot of items that I have, like the sense booster, and the insect attractor as well, because you need to trigger the extra phase of the Bait the Insects event. So you'll need to trigger the third one. I don't really know how to do it exactly, like especially because there's no bubbles in this specific event, but catch as much as you can. And I did it by myself, and I did it when it's the rainbow weather. Maybe you'll get more luck. Also, you need to be level 9 of the insect catching hobby to get it. And it's going to be on some trees near the ruins area, which is the extra phase area, like the third one. I think I just try to catch as much as I can, and then I was able to open the extra phase. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!